Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Steam stuck while allocating disk space error on your Windows computer. So if it just seems to be very slow and stuck at this part in the process, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Steam. Best match should come back with the Steam app. You want to go right click on that and then select Open File Location. Right click on the highlighted option that appears and then select Properties. Select the Compatibility tab and then check mark where it says Run this program as administrator and then select Apply and OK. Close out of here. Restart your computer and hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.